Hi friends! Today we invite you to prepare pasta al pesto with potatoes and green beans. Pasta with pesto is a typically Ligurian first course. To prepare pasta al pesto you will need 200 grams of pasta, 200 grams of green beans, 3 medium potatoes, 50 grams of butter, 50 grams of Genoese pesto, salt to taste, Parmigiano cheese to taste. First prepare the Genoese pesto. Take a look at the link above and you will find our simple pesto recipe. Or you can buy the Genoese pesto in a store. But we assure you the difference is notable. Salt the water. When the water boils, add the chopped potatoes and green beans. We use frozen green beans. But if you are using fresh green beans, then put them in boiling water and cook for a few minutes earlier before adding potatoes to them. Wait until water boils again and add the pasta. Cook the pasta for the time indicated on the package. We used fusilli pasta. It cooks for 12 minutes and this time is enough for the potatoes and green beans to cook too. When the pasta is cooked, drain the water. But don't forget to set aside a little cooking water. You will need it to mix your pasta and make it creamy. Put a piece of butter in the pan where the pasta was cooked. Pour the pasta on top. The heat will melt the butter. Add the pre-prepared pesto sauce and mix well. Add a little cooking water to make your pasta creamy. Now your pasta with Genoese pesto is ready. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe.